Today, I'm reviewing 3 Paddington figures. Original Paddington, Rain Day Paddington, and Chef Paddington. We're going to start with Original Paddington. There's a package. You can collect all 3. And here he is. He's got his blue duffel coat, his red hat, and his luggage. It's PB for Paddington Bear. He's going to London. Got some moving parts. You can move this arm and he's saying, that way. You can move this. He's showing his luggage. Move the head. Yes, left and right. If there's any people nearby. And his feet. Moving in one direction. Now let's check out Rain Day Paddington. Back is the same. Here he is. He's got a yellow raincoat. It's a bit like his duffel coat. A yellow rain hat. There's the back. In one hand, he's got a blue umbrella. So you can move one arm. You can move this. Like he's taking his umbrella out. We'll keep him dry. Move the feet. Yeah. If he's going to splash in one of the puddles. And his head. On the lookout for any rain clouds. And the last one. Hope it's alright. So here's Chef Paddington. He's got a white chef hat and an apron. He's got a wooden spoon. There's the back. That's where you tie it. You can move up one arm saying, look, we need this ingredient. And this one here says, here, I've got a wooden spoon. Move his head. He's looking all around the kitchen. Move his feet. Maybe there's a pizza baking. And there is the original Paddington, Rain Day Paddington, and Chef Paddington. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I want to ask for your help. Please help me pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And for the ones who has already subscribed to my channel, a massive thank you. See you next time. Bye.